The best blender combines power, versatility, and durability to handle everything from smoothies to sauces. Look for a high-watt motor, sharp stainless steel blades, and variable speed settings for precision control. A large capacity pitcher and single-serve cups add convenience. Dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts make cleanup easy. Top brands like Ninja, Vitamix, and Blendtec offer excellent performance and reliability. There are many different types of blender, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best blender that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 1. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System is a powerful 1500W all-in-one appliance designed for ultimate versatility. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice into snow in seconds for ultra-smooth frozen drinks and smoothies. The 8-cup food processor bowl ensures perfect chopping and kneads up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. With 4 functions, blend, mix, crush, and single serve, you can customize your creations with ease. 2 16 ounces Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids make personalized, nutrient-rich drinks convenient for on-the-go lifestyles. A stacked blade assembly, dough blade, and chopping blade provide precision for any recipe. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts. Plus, a 31 recipe inspiration guide helps spark creativity in the kitchen. Whether making smoothies, dough, or frozen treats, the Ninja BL770 delivers power, convenience, and performance in one sleek system. Number 2. Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro Plus Personal Single Serve. The Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro delivers next-level blending with its 1800 peak watt motor, built to power through even the toughest ingredients. Featuring BlendSense technology, this smart system automatically adjusts speed and time for consistently smooth results, while an intuitive dial keeps you informed on its mode. The 72 ounces full-size pitcher is perfect for whipping up large batches of smoothies, frozen drinks, and more for the whole family. With total crushing and chopping blades, it effortlessly crushes ice and chops veggies for versatile meal prep. Enjoy precise control with 10 variable speeds and single-touch preset programs for easy chopping and blending. 2 24 ounces single-serve cups with spout lids provide grab-and-go convenience. Plus, the Liquid Detect feature ensures optimal blending. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts. Experience power, precision, and convenience with the Ninja TB301. Number 3. BioLo-Mix Heavy Duty Professional Blender. The BioLo-Mix Heavy Duty Professional Blender is built for performance, featuring a peak 2200W commercial-grade motor and hardened 6 stainless steel blades to crush ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients effortlessly. Enjoy the full nutritional benefits of whole foods with its powerful blending capabilities. With variable speed control and a pulse feature, you can adjust between 6 speeds for precise control, whether making smoothies, soups, or grinding nuts and grains. The 70 ounces BPA-free container is lightweight, durable, and designed for efficient blending, drawing ingredients into the blades for ultra-smooth results. Cleaning is hassle-free. Simply add soap and water, and the blender self-cleans in seconds. Designed with a non-slip base and noise-reducing rubber cushion, it operates quieter than most competitors. Built to last, it includes a 7-year motor warranty and 1-year coverage on parts, ensuring long-term reliability. Number 4. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender brings upgraded performance with its 1400 peak watt motor, delivering more power than the original Ninja Professional Blender. Equipped with total crushing blades, it effortlessly pulverizes ice for ultra-smooth frozen drinks and creamy smoothies. With 3 Auto IQ programs, you can create smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream at the touch of a button. Auto IQ technology removes the guesswork, using intelligent blending patterns that optimize speed and timing for perfect results. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher provides XL blending capacity, ideal for making large batches for the whole family. A 15-recipe inspiration guide helps spark creativity in the kitchen. Cleanup is simple with a dishwasher-safe, BPA-free pitcher and stacked blade assembly. Whether blending smoothies or crafting frozen treats, the Ninja BN701 ensures power, convenience, and precision in every use. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. The Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender delivers 1100 watts of ultimate power, effortlessly crushing ice into snow for silky smooth frozen drinks, smoothies, and sauces. With 3 manual speeds, pulse, and a single serve function, this blender provides versatile performance for all your blending needs. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher is perfect for making large batches for the whole family or entertaining guests. Need quick meal prep. The food processing function chops, minces, and blends fresh ingredients evenly without turning them to mush. For on-the-go convenience, blend directly in the 16 ounces single-serve cups, attach a spout lid, and enjoy your drink anywhere. Cleanup is effortless with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, the 28 recipe inspiration guide helps you get started with delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Experience professional power and versatility with a Ninja BL660. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.